Hi guys, how are you? I hope everyone doing great. Last night I slept for almost 12 hours and I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Uh, so I had fresh up and I am ready to explore Tijuana. It's still 6:30 in the morning now. Not that much traffic on the roads. This is from my hotel Grand in Tijuana. So before that, just let's have a room tour once. This hotel is called Grand Hotel. It's in Tijuana downtown. The bed is nice, but I don't know why this many pillows. Almost one, two, three, four, five, six pillows. Nice table there. My passport. That's the drone bag. Mm. Oh, they give perfume also. Just kidding. It's mine. So that's all. Let's go down and have some food and explore Tijuana. I like these glasses in the lift. They look very cool. Hi guys. So this is the border fence between Mexico and USA. If you jump that fence, you will be in USA. There will be a lot of immigrants who are entering into US. So that's why they made everything strict here. So we can see a lot of people crossing the borders without having valid visas. So this border extends into ocean there. So that is the Pacific Ocean. So let's go there. So now we are here at the Friendship Park. There is some Sri Lankan restaurant there, and this is called some Plaza Street. So we can have nice variety of seafoods there. We can go it later. And yeah, so it's written Tijuana there. And backside we can see the border. It's the Friendship Park between America and Mexico. I tried to enter into this park from the US side, but they didn't allow me. Looks like it's open only on Saturdays and Sundays, that too from morning 10 to afternoon 2 o'clock. So now I visited from this side, from Mexico side, and you can see the border fence is still there, and it's going all the way to Pacific Ocean. You can see San Diego downtown there. I guess you guys can see San Diego downtown there. I see some cruises there standing in US waters. They are not coming to Mexican waters. If I cross this fence, I'll be in USA. Of course, I don't want to do that. I want to enter into US in an official manner with visa stamping. From this border, you can see the same Friendship Park on the American side. It was well developed there, but on the Mexican side, uh, it's okay. I don't like that much. But on the US side, it's well developed. They made it as a national park, and you can see the American uh, army there with the patrolling vehicle. Hey, I just noticed this. There are many high resolution cameras installed on the American side of the border. Yeah, maybe for American security. So, guys, this is the top view of the Friendship Park. On the right hand side, we can see the National Park from San Diego, USA, and on the left hand side, it's Tijuana, highly densely populated. We cannot fly the drones near to border, so I just came little bit back to take the drone shots, and you can see the brown color fence all the way down. So yeah, it's clearly now you can see how the park is there on the USA side and how it's densely populated on the Tijuana Mexican side. So that's all for today, this vlog. I'll catch you from another vlog from Tijuana downtown. Bye.